then I'm gonna have these seat back covers just like that, because I think that looks really cool. And also, when I fold these seats down, if I'm hauling a bunch of golf clubs, or if I need to go to like Lowe's and put something else in here like metal or wood, then I can have the backs of the seats covered. If I destroy those or cut them up, it doesn't matter, as long as you're not actually ripping the carpet on the backs of the seats. So these are attached very easily just with Velcro, and they have holes cut out around them here so you can still use the functionality of everything on the backs of the seats. And there's just little Velcro straps all around the edges. Now, as far as the quality goes, you're gonna look at pictures of this online and think this is like incredibly high quality leather. It is leather. I think they said it's vegan leather, but it's kind of like not hard, but it's plasticky. So don't get these and expect it to be like plush Mercedes leather. It's functional and the price reflects the quality. I don't think they're overpriced or anything like that, but just don't expect to get these and it's like some really nice Louis Vuitton leather. But anyways, so that's how they go on. They just kind of Velcro on there. And really, this is just for protection. You can see what it looks like there. And I think that looks nice. It's functional and gives you a nice look. But now we're going to put this part of the mat on so it's all a uniform look. So here's a final look at this interior. I think it looks great. This is definitely a good option.